So I remember it was January 9th, and we were starting our 21 days of prayer. And Pastor WAYLON was preaching on Sunday morning, and as we go into the end, he's talking about how God speaks. And I remember him just sharing Psalms 126 and saying, hey, this is the word for the house, restore. He goes, whatever has been lost, whatever has been stolen, whatever has been depleted, whatever has been neglected, God will restore. And I remember just sitting in service and grabbing my phone, literally grab my phone, like put those 4 or 5 lines. And I just saw it, like I usually just, whatever I hear, ideas, just put it on a folder in my phone. And later that week, I was just having my quiet time, my time with the Lord, whatever. And I'm like, man, it would be awesome to have a song like this, you know. One of the things that I love is many times people, we get an opportunity to sing truth, and many times you don't believe it yet, but it's a reminder of a greater perspective, greater reality, and things that we need that sometimes by just hearing it doesn't work, but we need to declare it. And that's how I just started. I remember that was the first thing. I just sat down and started just playing with the idea of whatever has been lost, whatever has been stolen, what has been depleted, and He will restore. And my thing, to tie it all together, I was just thinking, okay, this is what we're declaring over our people, over our lives, over this city, over our church. But what is the one truth that when we come together as a church, we can declare and sing? That's when the chorus came about, just like, everlasting God, we belong to you. And before God does anything, we're His people. And we know what He's going to do. We know what He's capable of. But that doesn't change our declaration of who He is. So before I remember just thinking, before we declare anything about what He's going to do, we can sing of who He is. That's why we had that part, like, our hope is built on nothing less, Jesus' mighty name. You are God, you will restore. But we believe that this song is for the individual. We believe this song is for our families. We believe this song is for our church. We believe this song is for our city. We believe this song is for our nation. And it's something that we can do in this moment where we're living right now and where we find ourselves, that we know that He will do something. But before He does anything, we can still praise Him for who He is.